In this video, I am going to show you how to use free VPN, block ads and trackers using Opera browser. So let's get started. Go to opera.com and click Download Now button. This will download the installation file. Double-click the file and follow the instructions to install the browser. This should take a couple of minutes. Once installation is complete, open the Opera browser. Open the settings. Under the privacy and setting, enable block ads. Click the blue icon and enable block trackers. To configure VPN, click Enable in Setting to configure the VPN. This will give you an alert that the connection may be slower. Once you enable the VPN, you will see a blue VPN icon appearing next to address bar. You can also customize where you want your VPN to connect to. To get the best performance, choose the region closest to you. To demonstrate, I have opened whatsmyip.com before configuring the VPN, and this is after configuring the VPN. You can see the IP and the location has changed. Let's open a website to see if the ad blocker is working. Here you can see the ad blocker is working and the ads are being blocked. I have also provided all the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.